Did you know that the biggest faceless YouTube channels are making millions while their creators remain completely anonymous? And here's the crazy part. Most of them started way later than you think. The secret isn't being first, it's being different. Here's what nobody tells you about starting late in the faceless YouTube game. The landscape has actually gotten better for newcomers, not worse. Why? Because audiences are craving fresh perspectives and authentic content, even from faceless creators. The three-step formula that's working right now. First, pick a micro niche within a popular category. Instead of general motivation, focus on productivity tips for remote workers. Instead of cooking, target 5-minute meals for busy parents. Second, develop your unique angle or voice. Maybe you explain things backwards, or you always include a surprising twist. Third, batch create content using simple tools like Canva, free stock footage, and AI voice generators. Here's the mindset shift you need. Being late means you can learn from everyone else's mistakes. You can see which thumbnails work, which titles get clicks, and which content formats keep people watching. You're not starting from scratch. You're starting with data. The earning potential is insane. Faceless channels monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and digital products. Some creators are pulling 6 figures annually with channels that took them 6 months to build. It's not too late. The algorithm wants action, not history. Your only real competition? Your own excuses. Thanks for watching and click link below to get started.